this little t-shirt. It's a kid's, inexpensive little kid's t-shirt that I have left over from other projects, and I'm going to make it into a little dress by adding, this is the skirt. So this is going to be the next full sewing video. We'll be making this little dress. I also have some new patterns for me. So I have this cute Berta, and I like this particular view. I actually already own a shirt like it. So I'm going to be doing this shirt, and I'm going to do it in, let's see, these two fabrics. So this one is like a Henley type t-shirt almost. It's not real heavy, but it's a nice weight, and it has little stars on it. And this one's kind of sheer and light, but really pretty. So these two for that pattern. And then I have this pattern, and I'm going to make this stripe, and the stripes aren't on here. You can see how they're horizontal. These are going to be vertical. It's actually made that way, which I love. So I'm going to make this view out of this, and then I'm considering making this one, but I don't like the lace. I'm considering making this out of these two fabrics, and I actually am thinking about doing the body out of this, which again would be vertical. And then this, let me get close. Can you see all the cute colors in it? So it ties the two colors together. I haven't 100% decided, but that's sort of where I'm going with that one. We'll see. I may change my mind and do like a raglan shirt, raglan t-shirt and sleeves too. I can't find a good raglan pattern that I like, so I may have to draft one. So this one I haven't 100% decided on. These three for sure, I know what I'm doing. And this will be the next project. I just want to share with you another fun small project that you can make at home with very little fabric. These most all are made from just felt, craft felt. This is a little donut. Here you can see I have two little donuts here. It's just a circle, and these are this particular one's hand whip stitched together. I did machine stitch on the little glaze, and they're just stuffed with regular stuffing. These are pins, so when you put pins in it, it looks like sprinkles. And the way I did this one, because it's narrow, if you put these long pins straight down, they poke out the other side. So I always put them in at a slight angle so you don't get poked. But aren't those cute? All of these pin cushions were made for my sewing students. Every year at Christmas, I made a different pin cushion and gave to my kids. Now, the first year, I only had 14 kids, the first year that I taught, and I made these pretty intricate little hedgehogs. So when you put the pins in the hedgehog, it was its quills. They were super cute. I recycled some twill fabrics and some corduroys and things, and I can't find, I have one somewhere. I don't know where mine is, but it's adorable. And if you go on Pinterest, you can find hedgehog pin cushion patterns to follow, and you can just print them out. This one, I bought little tart tins on Amazon, and then underneath is just a cotton, red cotton with a felt on top. This is glued in. This is a no-sew project right here. Put the batting in, glue this in, and then stick some pins in it. So this is a little cherry pie pin cushion that I made for the kiddos. This one's a watermelon, and when I gave it away, these had just black pins in it for the seeds. Again, very fast and easy. And this one, I don't know if you can see it says 2017 on the bottom. So that was the year that I gave that one away. And this one's even more simple. It's just a little pail, again, glued in. And I bought these maybe at Hobby Lobby. Very inexpensive little things. But if you have craft felt at home, it's very easy to make little pin cushions like this. And these can be hand sewn or machine sewn, and just a tiny bit of stuffing and you're done. This is a big pin cushion. This is the one that I sew with and use at home. And you can see it's cut into 8s. I used a very decorative button on top, and it's attached to a less decorative button on the bottom just to give it a little dimension. And so there's this one, and then I'm going to show you one that was given to me by a friend years and years and years ago when my kids were small. And that's this one. And this is a much more intricate. These are little flower petals that are three-dimensional. So another fun pincushion. Pincushions, I think, are super fun to make and sew. I actually have one more my friend made me, and I'm going to go find it real quick and show you. Okay, here's this one. This is just a little patchwork. They're satin stitched together. At the time, I had a pink and brown sewing room. It was sort of a toile fabrics. It had a spare bed in it, like a day bed that had the pink and brown toile. And so she made this to match that at the time. So anyway, fun little fast project you can do. Here's another little pin cushion that I bought. I think this was from Hobby Lobby. It was sort of just an iron color, and I spray painted it this fun color that matches more my current room. And this little fabric is what I used for pillows and my other pin cushion, and I just took the cushion off and covered it with the matching fabric. So now I have this really cute little pin cushion. I have a lot more pin cushions around here too. These are just the ones that were handy that I... Okay, I'm doing a quick stash buster project. I'm sure you've all seen the face masks that they're making in just to wear at home, to wear if you have to run to the grocery store, and also to donate to medical facilities. I went through my stash. I have some family members who need them wear masks. My son still has to work part-time in the public, and I have a daughter who's just asthmatic, so if she has to go to the grocery store or anything to get supplies, she needs to be protected. So I will show you here in just a minute what I'm working on. I'm not going to do a tutorial or anything on it. There are loads of them out there. If you want to make some face masks to donate, please check with the facility you're going to donate with. A lot of them have very specific needs and requirements. The mask that I'm making is 2 layers of tightly woven cotton with a flannel in between, and then I did the elastic around the ears. Some people think that's very uncomfortable and prefer the ties. So you just need to read and see what they want before you donate them or before you spend a lot of time making them. Also, just 1 or 2 layers is not enough. You need at least 3. Some are requiring 4. You want really tightly woven, high quality fabric. The tighter the better. It's just going to be a little bit, all we're doing is making a little natural filter. Also, natural fibers are better than synthetic. They wash better, and they're less likely to cause problems or irritations for the person who's wearing them. So I'm going to show you real quick the little project I'm working on, just really fast, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Here they are. These are the two. The 2 have completed, have already left the building. So these are the ones I'm working on now. I'll show you a picture when I'm done. Next vlog, and I'm going to be putting these up pretty quickly behind each other, I will make, and it's very fast, the little t-shirt dress. So tune in next time to see the little t-shirt dress. I hope everyone's staying safe and staying sane, washing your hands, finding projects to do, and doing your best to stay with some sort of routine while we wait this crazy time out.